Okay, hello. So, we will do a review muna bago tayo magsimula doon sa ating mga uh, main topic. So, let us use extracting prime factors using graph method. So, prime factors are numbers that the factors of itself is the number itself and 1. So, let us start with this one. So, given is 4. So what are the prime factors of 4? So obviously 4 is 2 times 2. So to check kung tama, 2 times 2 is equals to 4. So tingnan nyo. Tama. So pareha siya. So when we ask, kung tinanong tayo, ano prime factors ng 4? The answers are 2 and 2. Okay, next. Let us proceed to the next one. Well, how about 12? So, in 12, lagyan natin ito. So, kaya siya tinawag na method para kasi siya may 12. So, 12 is 2 times 6. But notice that yung isa, prime factor, yung isa, hindi. So in this case, we will continue factoring the numbers again. So, yung 6 naman ay 2 times 3. Okay. Notice na nung pinaplo natin yung 6, 2, and 3, wala na tayong ibang factor maibigay sa 2 or sa 3. So, pwede na natin sabihin, the prime factors of 12 are 2 times 2 times 3. Let us check. 2 times 2 is 4 times 3 is 12. So, therefore, the prime factors of 12 are 2 times 2 times index. How about 125? Oh, sige, let's sample number 1. So 125, that is 5 times 25. Okay, so 5 is already a prime factor and 25 is not yet. So factor pa natin uli yung 25. 25 is 5. Okay, notice na either 5 or 5 ay wala ng factor sa type bigay. So, kunin natin lahat ito. So, 5 times 5 times 5 is equals to 1, 2, 5. Okay, so yung tatlong 5 ay the prime factors of 125. Okay, next. How about 120? Okay, 120. So, paano natin kukunin ang prime factors of 120? Okay, siguro mas madali na lagi tayo nagsisimula sa isang prime factors. 120 is 2 times 60. Okay. So, 2 is a prime factor already and 60 isn't. So, gawin natin. Factorial natin. 60 is 2 times 30. Okay. And 30. Since 30 isn't prime factor pa, so multiply pa natin. 30 is 3 times 10. Okay. Yung 3 ay prime factor pero yung 10 ay hindi pa. So factor pang uli natin. 10 is 2 times 5. Okay. Nung umabot tayo dito ay yung 2 at saka yung 5 ay prime factors na. So, gather natin ito lahat. 2 times 2, ito yan times 3 times 2 times 5. So, pag multiply natin yan, 2 times 2 is 4, times 3 is 12, times 2 is 24, times 5 is 120. Okay, so these are the prime factors. This is how you get the prime factors of a given number. So,